Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to sell the Eclipse token using Pancakeswap and your Trust wallet. It's pretty much the polar opposite of what you guys do to purchase it, just doing everything backwards and putting it back to BNB and then transferring it into your Binance so you guys can then either transfer it into another crypto or withdraw it into your bank accounts. It's actually really simple and easy to do. So first things first, you guys have to head over to your Trust wallet and open that up. Once you guys are in your Trust wallet, you're going to be at your basic page right here. Now, first thing that you guys have to do is you guys have to head over to the browser and go over to Pancakeswap. And now in here, all you guys have to do is make sure that your wallet is connected. So it should already be connected as you guys have purchased it through Pancakeswap. So you should be good there. All you guys have to do is click on where it says from and BNB, click on the BNB and just type in Eclipse, so ECP. Now, if you guys, for whatever reason, don't have ECP or Eclipse here, all you guys have to do is go to the first link I have in the description. It'll be over to the CoinMarketCap website for ECP. All you guys have to do is copy that contract address into the top right here and just click on paste, and then you'll be able to add in ECP. But for most of you guys should be able to type it in just like I am here. So you just want to put in ECP just like that. And then for the two currency, you want to switch it to BNB. Now you want to make sure your slippage tolerance is on 12%, so the sell order does go through. To change your slippage tolerance, you just want to go beside where it says exchange on the three lines there, click on that and just change it to 12%. Once you guys have that all set up there, all you have to do now is decide how much ECP that you guys want to transfer over into BNB. So for example, let's just say if we want to do 1 million ECP, we can go ahead and put 1 million there. It'll show us what we'll get in exchange for that ECP. Now, if you guys are okay with this transaction, all you guys have to do is click on where it says insufficient ECP balance for me. It'll just tell you guys here to swap or confirm, and then it'll bring you over to a second page where it'll show a broken down version of your transaction, showing you your fees and your withdrawal rates and stuff like that. Now, if you guys are okay with that transaction, you can go ahead and click on confirm for the swap, and then your BNB will then be back into your Smart Chain wallet right here. Now, to take out that Smart Chain amount into your Binance so you guys can then transfer it into another crypto or withdraw into your bank account, all you guys have to do is head over to Binance and go into the Binance application, head over to your wallet, and then you guys just have to find BNB here. So you can just search for BNB, click on BNB, and then you want to click on deposit. Once you guys do that, you're going to have to click on continue on here. And it's very important that you guys switch the network to BEP20, which is the Binance Smart Chain network. So make sure you guys have the BEP20 network on, and then you can copy that address that we have here over to your Trust wallet. And what you guys want to do now is click on the Smart Chain where you have your BNB located, and then click on send. And then what you guys have to do now is paste the recipient address in here that we got from Binance, and just type in the amount of BNB that you guys want to send over to Binance to exchange. So let's just say if I had 2 BNB here, I can go ahead and type in 2. And then all you guys have to do here is click on next. And then it will show the transaction details for this. It'll show your network fee and your total amount. Now, if you guys are okay with this, you can go ahead and click on the bottom where it will say confirm or swap for you. It just says top up Smart Chain for me because I don't actually have any Smart Chain in here right now. But once you guys click on confirm on that, it should take about 5 minutes for your BNB to go over to Binance. And then from there, you guys can decide whether you want to convert that into USDT and withdraw it into your bank account or just convert it to another crypto. Now, if you guys need another tutorial showing you guys how to withdraw it from Binance into your bank accounts, just let me know. I'll be happy to make another video. But this is exactly how you sell your ECP into BNB and then transfer it out of the Trust wallet application. Now, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to sell your ECP on Trust wallet. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.